Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dino Reveal video for today. We're going to review this Protoceratops and Alioramus. So we have this Primal Attack. This both Protoceratops, Alioramus. These two are from Primal Attack. There's a DNA scan. And this one is a Dino Rivals. And what we have here is a Dino Escape Alioramus. Alright, so these are the variants of this new Dino Reveal package right here. We're gonna unbox it today. Check it out. Nice packaging. So, yeah, the last battle... What is this? The battle pack was... I believe was back in March. It's already October, so... Yeah, hopefully they'll make more of these. I'm sure it'll be next year. Maybe another March. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it now. And check out the new variants of the Protoceratops and Alioramus. Okay, so let's unbox it now. Let's check it out. Okay, we have the arena out now. There you go. Let's put this aside. We have the instructions here. Battle pack. Oh, awesome. Okay, let's put it aside. We don't really need that. Here we have our sponge. And the chamber where we put the water. Alright, so let's check out our dinos in here. Oh boy. Oh wow, still wrapped. Check this out. Okay. Alright, we have the Alioramus right here. We're gonna compare to its variants later over this guy's right here. Let's put in the water now. Yeah, now for the Protoceratops. Okay, Cypher wants to drop it in the water. Put it in. Alright, next time.
It's like an aqua.
There you go. Now we'll wait a few minutes. Okay, guys? There you go. It's getting... Looks like the paints... They're dissolving. Alright. Now, looks like... Okay, you guys can start sponging it up now. There.
Now look, it's up already.
No, you have to put water in the sponge. So the Protoceratops is already, it's still wet. So it is definitely a brand new color, a brown one. Pretty cool. So this is our third Protoceratops now. We have one from Beast of the Mesozoic, but I didn't get a chance to grab it earlier. But that's okay. Now let's dry it up. So let's drying up the Alioramus. So we're gonna compare it to the variants of the Protoceratops. This new one, Dino Reveal, doesn't have a neck articulation anymore. It doesn't go up and down anymore. Unlike the older ones, you can see there is. See, it goes up and down. This one doesn't. They took it off again, and the DNA scan is actually gone. There's no DNA scan. This one has a movement too, the Dino Rival. So cool. There's our Protoceratops now. Now we're gonna go to the Alioramus. Stuff that's done. Not yet. Alright, the Alioramus is now ready. Nice color. This is I think this is better than the other two right there. The older two Alioramus. So I didn't get the one with the vehicle Alioramus version. We still don't have that. I don't know why I wasn't interested in getting that Alioramus. But anyways, definitely the DNA scan is gone. This one doesn't have a neck articulation either. It's gone. It's always, unlike this older one, you can move up and down. This one doesn't anymore. They took it off. So yeah, there you have it for today. Our first green Alioramus. Let's clean that off. Also, I'm gonna show a clip of the next hybrid, guys. It's almost done. I haven't painted it yet. It's missing one more dinosaur DNA. I'm gonna show a sneak peek, okay, guys, of the next Apex hybrid. I'm on the process right now. I'm building it. So just be a quick sneak peek, okay? Like a 3 second or 4. So let's check it out. There you go. I don't know if you guys can tell. Alright, so there you have it for today, guys. Our brand new Alioramus and Protoceratops. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time for watching us. And have a good day. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good weekend coming. Bye for now. Thank you.